When you first arrive at a forest in the house, what strikes you isn't just a building. It's a way of seeing architecture through the language of nature itself. Designed by Equipo de Arquitectura in San Bernardino, Paraguay, this 260 square meter home reimagines the classic boundary between interior and exterior. In this project, existing trees aren't obstacles to be cleared, they are the central figures shaping how the space is composed and experienced. The architects describe their process much like composing a piece of music, where structure and improvisation dance together. Just like a jazz ensemble, the foundation sets the stage, but it's in the spaces between, the light, the shadows, the breeze, where the experience truly unfolds. In this house, moved by rhythm and cadence of natural forces, light becomes a timekeeper. Changing shadows mark the day's passage, and wind rustling through leaves becomes part of the home's sensory narrative. As you move through the plan, the roofline defines a perimeter that holds the composition together, yet within it, there's no rigid orthogonal grid. Instead, spatial zones are shaped by the presence of trees. These mature trees dictate where voids and solids can exist, creating a dynamic layout that responds to nature's own geometry. Structural columns aren't arranged in a forced order. They weave around roots and trunks, visually fading into the landscape while still providing stability. One of the most fascinating aspects of the design is how Materiality supports this dialogue with nature. The house's solid volumes are crafted with compressed earth blocks, grounding the building physically and visually within its surroundings. This choice isn't just aesthetic. It reinforces a material connection with the earth, bringing warmth and texture that resonates with the palette of the forest outside. The spatial narrative unfolds across two intersecting planes, the floor and the ceiling. The ground plane rises gently, allowing tree roots to grow unhindered beneath. Above, the roof plane mirrors that geometry but opens up to become a terrace, inviting inhabitants to look out over the treetops. It's a subtle but profound shift. You're not just inside a house, you're woven into the living structure of the forest. Walking through these spaces, you notice how the architects have embraced the elemental forces around them. Natural light filters through voids and apertures, shaping atmosphere and mood. Breezes filter leaves and shadows into every corner, a constant reminder of how architecture and nature can coexist without dominating one another. It's an experience that challenges traditional spatial hierarchies and asks us to reconsider how built environments can honor their context. Ultimately, a forest in the house isn't just a residence. It's an exploration of coexistence. It imagines a future where boundaries between architecture and landscape dissolve, where design isn't imposed on a site, but develops with it. In this home, every tree, every beam of light, and every shift in wind becomes part of an ongoing composition. A rich, living work that plays a different tune with every passing hour.